ClickUp just launched the world's only human-level AI agents. It is not chatbots with fancy prompts or API wrappers pretending to be smart. This is actual agents with over 500 human skills, infinite memory, and the ability to use the @mentioned DM and collaborate like real teammates. Here's why this changes everything.
You've been promised incredible things with AI, but has it actually lived up to all the hype? I can promise you that today it will. Everyone says, don't be afraid of AI, just adopt it. But the reality is 95% of companies are failing at AI adoption today. What the f? Isn't that insane? And isn't it ironic? Nearly everyone is losing productivity in pursuit of productivity. Here's the truth that most businesses do not realize. AI isn't meant to be adopted. It's meant to be adapted to you, and it should work the way that you work, in the apps you use, with the context you already have. The reality is, artificial intelligence isn't truly intelligent until it has 100% context about your work. And artificial intelligence will always feel artificial unless it works like humans do. What if AI had perfect context about your work? And what if AI did act just like a human does? And what if you had AI coworkers always working to maximize your productivity? Introducing ClickUp Super Agents, the world's first AI agents that natively collaborate with humans and always have correct context and perfect memory. They give you superpowers to do more than humanly possible. You lead, your super agents go to work, completing tasks, scheduling work, creating designs, fixing bugs, and even running entire workflows end to end. Super agents make you superhuman. So what makes these agents super? Their first superpower is context. Real intelligence starts with complete context. Super agents connect to all your files, apps, and data, storing infinite context about your work. Every update, every meeting, every doc, project, and decision is captured and organized automatically. Agents then tap into this company intelligence to use the right context at the right time to get the work done the right way. This perfect context is what gives super agents their super intelligence. Their second superpower is ambient AI. Super agents act like humans, but work like superheroes. They're always on, always available, and always equipped with all the work skills needed for any task. Things like coordinating schedules, running projects, managing files, handling customer relationships, and even automating support. Any task you would normally create and wait for it to be completed, now you can assign it to an agent instead, and the work starts immediately in the background. You can also @mention them, tagging them in to support your team with all of the surrounding context provided automatically, or message them directly for one-on-one help. They work on your terms, on any schedule you want them to, or based on any automatic triggers. Agents can also proactively assist humans 24/7 by escalating issues, answering questions, and surfacing insights that you didn't even have to ask for. This is ambient AI, effortless productivity for you and your team. The third superpower these agents have is security. Super agents operate as actual users in your workspace, giving you complete control. They're built on user-level permissions, accessing only what you authorize. Customize who can use and who can manage each agent. Every action is logged in real time for full transparency. And when critical decisions arise, agents ask for human approval, keeping you in the loop only when it matters. This state-of-the-art security model gives agents real autonomy with real guardrails that humans can really control. With ClickUp Super Agents, you finally unlock the value of AI. Infinite productivity. Super agents just work where you work, the way you work, with all of your work, killing all the busy work. Now you can always look forward to working because you choose what to focus on and you give everything else to your agents. And starting today, for the first time ever, every human can create an AI agent. Our state-of-the-art Super Agent Studio is the most intuitive and intelligent way to to build agents on the planet. It requires zero technical knowledge. So anyone, and I mean anyone, can literally create perfectly optimized agents in minutes. Just describe the job you want the agent to do, or the problem you want it to solve, the workflow you want it to automate, or the busy work you want to offload. And if you don't know where to start, Super Agent Studio provides you personalized recommendations. These are my agents, and they report to me, and they've changed my life. The promise of AI is finally here. Not someday, right now. For most people, this will be the first agent they ever use. And it's just like the first time you used a computer. It's a total leapfrog in productivity. And it's the realization of ClickUp's original mission to make people more productive. Super agents maximize human productivity, providing you more freedom, more creativity, and truly democratizing opportunity. And it's only possible in ClickUp. Maximize productivity with your first super agent today.
Every other AI agent is basically a tool waiting for you to remember it exists. ClickUp super agents are teammates that participate. They DM you when needed, take it mentions in conversations, send emails on your behalf, manage docs and tasks autonomously. They don't sit in a sidebar. They're in the work. The memory system is what separates this from everything else. Super agents have short-term working memory, long-term memory stored in actual docs, episodic memory of all interactions. And here's the wild part. You can open those memory docs and literally see what they remember. No black box, just pure transparency. But what is the real breakthrough? The infinite agent catalog. You describe what you need in plain English, and it spins up a custom agent in minutes. Zero code, zero setup. Over 10 million agents already have been created already. This is what democratizing AI was supposed to mean all along. 95% of AI adoption fails because companies try to adapt to the AI. ClickUp flipped it. Super agents adapt to you. Proprietary architecture with self-learning, ambient awareness, and 100% context from your workspace. Go ahead and try ClickUp using the link in the description of this video.